I'm going to show you today basically what my 4-hour price action strategy is and a couple of the trades I grabbed today on Tuesday, April 27th and overnight on Monday as well. This is simple stuff, guys. I really struggled as a trader until I learned a lot about price action, momentum swings, and of course really what the candlesticks are telling you, because they honestly tell you everything. So this is Euro, Japanese yen, EJ. I like to wait for it to consolidate, and I'll intraday a lot of these depending on if I start seeing double tops, right? Grab that sell on 420, 9 o'clock in the morning, right as the US session basically is open. Super easy grab. Sold that down, wicked out. This occurred, and I'm out. Got out about here, right? Not the fullest amount, but I got about 80% of that trade. With a good entry, you can ride this stuff down, because sometimes that doesn't happen and you keep going down, right? Got all those wicks. I grabbed this one too. That was the 23rd of March. Rejection candle at the top with very little volume in it. Usually signifies this move is over. Boom. So this was today, Tuesday, like I said. I'll show you exactly what I looked for. The way I have my SMA set up, I've got an 8 and a 50. I like to wait for a consolidation to occur. Double top, downward maneuver, big wicks for rejection, up, double top, downward maneuver, couple rejections here, bullish, bearish rejection, retrace basically, and then this bad boy launched. That's a big 4-hour candle. You know, that's a lot of profit just in that candle alone. Generally, when this happens, the entire momentum of the pair is swung. I like to look on my SMA crossover here, and it's not, oh, my red line crossed my blue and now I'll buy. No. I like to see the momentum start to push up. I like to see 45-degree angles created. That's what I look for. So came up, tested, came up, tested, came up, dropped, tested way back up. At this point, when I see this, we're in business. We're in serious business. Massive rejection. Comes up a little bit. Bearish, bearish. Take a shot at it, right? We had a couple of potential trend reversal candles in there. Next candle, bullish like that, I put a buy in. Boom, run it up. Not hard stuff, guys. Really straightforward. Purely price action. Learn your candles. Read books. Watch videos. There's a lot of information about price action trading. Alright. Let's go to the next pair I did. Caught a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones. All basically the same. Don't have to sit here and go an hour long on this video to tell you how to do it. I could go back and tell you all the different ones I took here. This is GA, GBP, AUD. We're on the 4-hour, right? Price action on the 4-hour. Look at all these movements, man. Double top up here. I caught this. Got in up top. Sold it down. I got in like right here. And I saw this big move happen. Down here, tests, comes up, and I'm out. You got the right lot size. You don't need a lot of pips, guys. Double top. Boom, I sold. Rejection candles. Eyeball these, man. They tell you everything. These come down. Bullish candles next. I'm out. Right, I got about 75% of that move. That's all you need. This is the beginning of the month. Now we have some consolidation, right? Candles indicating that there will be a trend reversal. Drops down, tests. I'm a little worried about that. It's testing my SMA. Breaks SMA. I sold. Ate it through the consolidation because I'm still in profit here. And what's the worst that happens? It comes back up to your entry point and you get out. You hold it, you catch an entire dump, and you're in so much profit. And you know, once this dump happens, there's only so much it can dump out before it consolidates. Right? Boom. Big wick hammer. Just bullish engulfing. I bought. Caught it up into here. This starts to come down, and I'm out right here. Not a lot of pips. It's really not. Have it come down here. Look at this candle right here. Sometimes you gotta take a shot. So this is a little off. There we go. Right? Sometimes you gotta take a shot. Indicates potential reversal. Bullish candle. I bought. Ran it up. Not a big move. But an easy move. Rejection, right? Flattens out, rejection, you're out. Or, because you caught it here, you can wait this candle up. See what happens next. It comes back down a little more, you get out. 75% of your total profit right there, nothing wrong with that. It's sister pair, all right? These trade a lot alike. GBP, Euro, AUD, EA Sports. It's in the game. I love this pair a lot. I trade it a lot. Like I'll show you the P&Ls. I trade it a lot. Okay. Here we are on the 4 hour again. It's consolidating, consolidating. What do we have here? Rejection candles. Comes down. Wicks out. Above where the previous wicks were. Right? That moves over. Comes back up. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Oh, what do we have here? You want signals? Indicators? Look for these candles. That's how you catch your moves. Grabbed it, ran it. Doesn't have to be a lot of pips, guys. That's it. Small moves on the 4 hour equate to big profits. You know, I had buddies taking this on a 0.15 lot USD. They're walking out here with 80 bucks. Okay? Do the math. Full lot that, lot and a half. Big time. Big time. On a small move. Alright. Everyone's favorite pair. I have love-hate with this one. GBP JPY. British pound, Japanese yen on the 4 hour. I've caught, you can see, there's a little 15-minute grab there. It was actually what was nice is I caught that here at this double top, and I let that run, and I caught that whole move. Rejection here, comes up, I bought, drop, 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 up, drop, up. Look at this, guys. This is a trade. If you see this moving, sometimes you get lucky and you go on runs. You set yourself up for some really good positions. March 25th. Okay. 7 o'clock at night. Caught it. To the 5th of April. Like, that right there, guys, your bills are paid. Breaks down here, I'm out. Massive. Bearish. I didn't catch any of that. Usually I'm pretty good. Pretty good at catching both, but I missed that. Comes all the way through. Oh, what do we have here? Dragonfly Doji. Symbolizes a potential reversal. Bullish candle. I bought. Runs up here. I'm in profit. Drops. 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 I took my profit. Just above break even. Then this formed. Came up. Wicked out up top here. Bearish engulfing. I sold. Down, down, down. Up. Down. Up. Down. I got out. Now I'm waiting. Waiting for that next move. Here it came. I'm still letting this run. Probably going to get out at some point here. We'll see. Look at this bad boy. Grab that and go, and you're good. This is a trade I'm still in. Euro NZD, 4-hour timeline. These are all your intraday possibilities right here, guys. Scalp these. And scalping is an interesting term to try to say for an intraday trade, but get in for the day, get out. Rob the bank. Drops. Very low volume candle. Potential reversal candle. And I got in. Went way up into profit. Thought I was going to be launching off. Came back down. Now we're going to slowly rise. My actual take profit one is here. Right? These two are, this is above here. It's not hard. Do the math. If it copies that move, you need a few pips extra. Breaks through where you think your TP is going to be. Right? Paying the mortgage this month. On one trade. Australian dollar. US dollar. Odd USD. Not the most popular pairs, which I like. Makes me a little more comfortable. This was when I closed out earlier today. So what are we looking for? This one, really good momentum swing. I mean, shoot. You catch the right trade. right? You can carry it for days and days and days. This is what, you know, institutional traders are looking at, guys. They're trying to catch that whole move. They're in profit, dips, right? BTFD runs up. Buy the dip again, runs up. Double top, wicked out. Trend's done. Might take forever for it to come back down, but it's over. Now we have this move in reverse, reverse. Comes down, buys up. Comes down, buys up. Sell. Not crazy. Catching 1,800 pips on a move. It's not hard to do, guys. I enjoy trading these off pairs a little bit. And this is a more popular pair, of course, but there's just not as much messing around on them. And you can catch some really good moves, guys. Well, it's the 15-minute that I'm on here, but this is a 4-hour trade I took. It's not hard. I'll show you what I'm looking for most of the time. GBP JPY shows it very often. Okay. Creates channels, guys. Look at these massive channels. Look at that arrow right there. You know what that means, right? I carried that one out for a long time, boys and girls. Long time. Four-month move right there, guys. Want to buy a house? Shoot, even if you put 0.01 on that. Follow the trends. On the 4-hour. When it starts to sell off, it's gonna sell off. You gotta catch these peaks and valleys, guys. Don't mess with the consolidation. Get in here on the 15-minute and scalp if you so choose. Don't play games with this stuff. No, sir. So where are we now? I had bias this was going to sell off. You can see. All right, total pip move. Thought it was going to be dumping out. It's not. I sold from the top. Dragonfly Doji. Bearish. Trend reversal. Up. Down. Up. I sold from the top, but I got in up here. So I can ride that. I'm in profit. Even on these rejections, I'm on profit. I can wait. Come down. I bought in here. Guess what, guys? Little rejection candle. Not even. Hammer. Right? I can wait. I can wait. No stop loss on this. Where am I shooting for? Right here. Little below. Little below. Right in here. Okay. Breaks through here. We're going to create a nice fat W. W on the charts and in my wallet. I went all the way up, guys. Look at that. Just by looking. Learn the candles, guys. Learn the candles. Understand the momentum. It's not hard stuff. Like, you gotta make this simple. Everyone I see has got all these crazy lines, and they're looking at price zones, liquidity zones, demand zones, all this stuff, and it's just, you can see the support and resistance with your eyes. It's there. You understand that potential resistance when it hits this spot. Why? Because last time it hit there, it rejected, right? It breaks through that. The next resistance it has, up in here. Why? because last time it hit that, it did it too. It doesn't have to be hard. You know, I used to draw all these crazy lines on my charts. I used to try to utilize all these crazy indicators, and I read some books, consumed a lot of content on Reddit, YouTube, everywhere I could. Listen to the right people, and price action trading, guys. You can do it on any timeline. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 hour, 4 hour, whatever you're comfortable with. But that's really the step to success, guys. Just learn how to do price action, please. And if you have questions, obviously reach out. Plan on putting a bunch more of these out. Show you guys what I've learned. What's made me a profitable trader. And catching uptrends like that certainly helps. Right? And of course I didn't hold this entire thing. Not only am I wasn't in a place to, but God forbid what my swap fees have been. But you can see it. It's full day. Full days. Down. 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 You just gotta catch the up and then wait and catch the down. Or wait for the up to come, rejects, catch the down. These aren't big moves. But if you catch them in the right way, guys, they really can be. And they can really fill your wallets, guys. Just keep an eye out. Pay attention to the charts. Look for the patterns. Okay? This can't shoot to the moon. It can't. It can't. What's it going to reach? 200? No. Gonna be a rejection and a correction of price. Catch that move. Look at that. Catch that move and go enjoy yourself. Take your girlfriend out, your wife, your boyfriend, your husband. Treat your mom to something nice. Treat yourself to something nice. Keep an eye on this stuff, guys. I know it looks a lot easier now that it's already happened, but when you start seeing it happen over and over and over and over again, you're going to start realizing when to get in, what candles to look for to do it. This trend's coming up. I was late. I was, could have gotten in on a 23rd at 9 o'clock in the morning, which means I should have been looking for this move. But it is what it is, right? Can't always be on them. So when you are, take advantage of it, guys.